Now, despite pending results for Monday's election, political analysts believe the results so far may spell trouble for some members of parliament ahead of the general election. The governing JLP has 49 members in the lower house, but based on the outcome of some divisions, the JLP may be in danger of losing critical seats at the polls. Campaigning for the local government election looked more like preparations for a national poll, with party leaders and MPs touring almost every constituency. The general election is due in the next 18 months, and analysts on TVJ's Vote 24 results show Monday night pointed to the possible implications.
Well, I'd say the most significant indicator would be how many divisions you have won in each constituency.
Point.
Those are the numbers that you're going to need to look at.
And after the preliminary count, those numbers were troubling for the JLP. With the PNP now controlling the Hanover Municipal Corporation with 6 of the 7 divisions, JLP MPs Dave Brown in Hanover Eastern and Tamika Davis in Hanover Western may not be comfortable going into the next election. The JLP only won the Chester Castle division in the parish. Political analyst and executive director of the Jamaica Association for Debating and Empowerment, Jermaine Barrett, pointed to similar concerns for the party in central and western Westmoreland as well as northeast Manchester, a stronghold for the JLP's Audley Shaw. The PNP won both the Christiana and Walderston divisions, leaving the JLP with Craighead alone.
So the concern with Audley Shaw's constituency is the fact that Audley Shaw regrettably is ill, and he has signaled that he's easing out of politics. The party was slow, maybe not at all attentive to the issues that are relevant in terms of keeping the persuasive message going specific to that constituency. And so, unfortunately, the PNP was able to creep in and to steal the limelight there.
Rhoda Moy Crawford won the Central Manchester constituency in 2020. However, despite heavy campaigning with the party leader, did not win any of the divisions on Monday.
She's a newbie. She has been working hard, but she's in a constituency where the tendency of the people over multiple elections have been to vote in favor of the People's National Party. She might have nipped it the last time around, but evidently a lot of the work that needed to have been gone on may not have been executed to the extent that people would have been pleased with her performance, and specifically with the performance of the councillors within her division. And so, unfortunately, despite the investment of the Jamaica Labour Party, despite them going there, the Prime Minister going there and doing a lot of the work, she lost all 4 divisions.
Of the 4 divisions in South Manchester, the JLP won 2. Another JLP stalwart, Robert Montague in St. Mary Western, won only 2 of the 5 divisions there.
In terms of Bobby Montague, I think there was a degree of complacency and just non-attentiveness to the communication and the work that needs to be proven as existing within that space. He is the party chairman, and so he has responsibilities elsewhere, and I think that might have played a hand in the result.
Mr. Barrett surmises that complacency as a government MP played a major role in the results for these MPs, but says there is still enough time for amends. He notes, however, that the PNP will have the same time to gain more grounds.